Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Abhilasha Sharma and you're watching Gupshup with Abhilasha, a show where I talk to people and listen to their stories. तो आज के हमारे एपिसोड में हमारे साथ एक बहुत यंग एंड टैलेंटेड एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं who runs a company on her own, designs everything on her own. She is the founder and designer of the Zeal store. Her name is Jasnoor Kaur, and today we shall be talking about her challenges, her business, and things she has learned throughout her journey. So, without any blabbering, let's call her in. So, first of all, welcome to the channel, Jasnoor.
Thank you, Vilasha.
Okay, so before we move ahead, why don't you give our viewers a little insight into what is the brand और क्या करते हो, कैसे करते हो?
Okay, so Zeal Store is a small brand, and I started this business totally out of boredom. I didn't have anything in mind, just my passion for makeup. And I texted a few of my friends. I texted four of my friends actually, and some were busy in their household work, some were busy in their dad's business, and one of them was free, and she texted me ki हाँ let's do it. So I was like, yeah, we should start something. So it took me at least a week to see all the videos, see all the things, how to make it, how to handle a business, how to start a business, and how to create a business. And yeah, here we are.
Where did the name come from? Like the Zeal store, where did it all come?
Okay, so the name was very confusing, to be very honest. We, searched name on Google. We were always on Google or Instagram, like this is the name. This is not the name. This is the name. We searched the best names in the world, the most beautiful names in the world, the most beautiful words in the world, and we found many names. Few of my friends suggested Shakaista, and that was a very beautiful word. We were going to keep it, but we found zeal. So my partner actually, she found the word zeal, and when I heard it, I was that instant click with that name has like gotten me. So you know what, actually she suggested me the name zeal, and I was like zeal to काफी होंगे. Zeal means good energy by the way, and मैंने सोचा कि good energy तो मतलब हमारे साथ मेल खाता है, इसलिए हमारे बिजनेस के साथ का है जो name है, and it reflects what we are, what our business is, and what our business will be. Good enthusiasm, great enthusiasm and energy. And उसने मुझे बोला जिसमें एक वर्ड है zeal, तो आई वाज लाइक या दैट्स प्रिटी, है ना. तो फिर zeal नाम के बहुत थे, एंड आई टॉक टू माई फैमिली एंड दे सेड कि zeal इज like a very common word, people use it day to day life, तो तुम्हारा वो स्पेशल कैसे बनेगा. मैंने बोला कि लेट्स सी, अभी रुक जाओ, थोड़ा देखते हैं, और फिर नाम सर्च करे, एंड एंड पे आके वो कहते हैं ना एक क्लिक हुआ था जो नाम के साथ, एंड दैट स्टेड, एंड फिर मैंने उसके ऊपर ही वर्क करा, एंड आई वाज लाइक मैं बैठी थी एक दिन, आई वाज लाइक द ज़ील स्टोर, इट लुक्स नाइस. द ज़ील स्टोर, द ज़ील, बहुत सारे ऐसे नाम सोचे, द ज़ील दिस, द ज़ील दैट. तो हमने सोचा फिर द ज़ील स्टोर. द ज़ील स्टोर के आगे क्या हुआ, वी सर्च ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, एंड एक था क्लोथिंग ब्रांड था, बाहर का था, फॉरेन ब्रांड था. तो वी वर लाइक कि हमें इफेक्ट तो नहीं करेगा ये, बट स्टिल we want to be individual, we want to be unique. So I added .in to the name, the zeal store .in, and that totally meant कि वो in जो था वो था इंडिया के लिए, कि this is made in India, this is manufactured in India, the things come from India, the things go from India, I make them, I make it, and just for India, and I kept the name zealstore.in.
That is a beautiful story. Like पता ही चल रहा है नाम से कि अब तो इंडियन ब्रांड है.
That's
Okay.
the goal, made in India.
Your journey. True. So your journey started from makeup. Your
Yeah.
passion from makeup took you to this brand, which is also
Yeah.
somewhere around the makeup, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to like take this brand as profession, like make makeup as a profession, or now this brand as a profession for you, or like you are doing it just for the passion thing?
I started it because I had a passion for makeup. I just watch YouTube videos, how to make lip glosses, how to make scrubs, how to make this that, and to be very honest, I knew what to go, what to not go in that, है ना. बट द थिंग इज़ कि उस टाइम पे मैंने सोचा कि जिसनूर पैशन के लिए ये करते हैं, मेकअप के लिए ये करते हैं. आई डिड दिस फॉर मेकअप. आई स्टार्टेड दिस बिकॉज आई वॉज डूइंग मेकअप लुक्स लिटरली एवरी डे. एंड फिर मैंने सोचा कि जिसनूर ये कर रहे हैं तो हम ये भी कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. एवरी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, एनी वन यू आस्क, देयर मेन गोल इज टू हैव अ ब्रांड ऑफ देयर ओन. कि मतलब मेरा नाम लगे इस ब्रांड के साथ एंड मैंने ये चीज़ बनाई है. एंड दैट्स अ वेरी बिग डील, अ वेरी ह्यूज डील. Actually I attended a class of Bhumika Bansal ma'am. She's a very 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 big makeup artist. And वहाँ से when I shared with everyone कि हाँ I have a brand, they were like Jisnoor, we are inspired from you, and इसको देख के we are like कि हमें भी ये करना है. तो आई थिंक there's nothing better than that. Someone telling you कि हाँ we also want to do what you are doing, and I think that's beautiful. That's the whole game.
So you are still in your graduation, right? So how difficult it is for you to manage your studies and then business, and obviously there are other things as well. So how are you managing all of this?
To be very honest, it's not that difficult when you love something and you want to do it. Like obviously there is study pressure and coaching कर रही हूँ, CAT कर रही हूँ, GMAT कर रही हूँ. एंड उसके ऊपर से जब कॉलेज की क्लासेस होती है, नो डाउट कॉलेज का इतना भी स्ट्रेस नहीं है जस्ट बिकॉज क्वारंटाइन चल रहा है. एंड इसके बाद क्या होगा आई डोंट नो. आई नो आई हैव टू हैंडल इट. आई एम प्लानिंग हाउ टू हैंडल इट. बट लाइक इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग, आप उसके लिए टाइम निकालोगे, जैसे मर्जी निकालो. एंड आई थिंक अगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि मुझे ज़ील स्टोर को यहाँ पहुँचाना है, तो आई विल ऑब्वियसली वर्क ऑन दैट, अगर मेरा कॉलेज चल रहा है या नहीं चल रहा है.
True. So, how are you funding your business? Like, did you do some internships prior to the business, or is your family financing it? How are you managing everything?
Actually, my dad funded the business, and I know that sounds dull कि हाँ बाप से पैसे लेके काम करती है, but no, that's not it. I asked him from money and I was like पापा आपको जब मेरे पास आ जाएंगे I'll return it to you. क्योंकि उस टाइम पे I didn't have any way to earn money. उस टाइम पे लोगों के पास पैसा तो नहीं था क्वारंटाइन में. लाइक एक्सेप्ट माई डैड, मैं किससे जाके बोलूँ कि हाँ आई वॉन्ट ऐसे इन्वेस्टमेंट ऐसे ये. तो पीपल डिड नॉट बिलीव इतना कि हाँ कि ये कर लेगी. क्योंकि द थिंग इज़ पीपल थॉट कि हाँ इसने मास्क का बिजनेस शुरू करा है एंड मास्क का बिजनेस नहीं चलेगा आफ्टर क्वारंटाइन. तो दे वर लाइक नहीं, लॉन्ग रन नहीं है इस चीज़ की. एंड आई वाज लाइक लेट मी एटलीस्ट डू इट, लेट मी एटलीस्ट ट्राई इट. तो उससे मैंने फिर डैड से कैश लिया एंड आई वाज लाइक पापा बस मेरे को अब करने दो. एंड ही वाज लाइक बेटा कर ले. इवन टिल दिस डे ही इज़ लाइक बेटा अभी चाहिए थोड़े तो ले ले. एंड आई एम लाइक कि नहीं थोड़ा लग रहा है बट इट्स ओके, आई डू इट. जो भी आता है ज़ील स्टोर से पैसा आई टेक इट and then I use it to make another product, right? So if I make mask today, I'll use that money, I'll use that income from what I have gained from the mask business, and then I'll invest it in my the lip gloss, lip scrub, आगे जाके lip balm पे ऐसे जाके वो एक चेन बनता रहा and वहाँ जाके चलता रहा.
Nice. So, are you manufacturing all of this by yourself, या फिर कोई help है? Like, are you outsourcing it, or are you doing something else, or is it just one man team?
Actually, I am the one who makes lip gloss, lip scrub, and lip balms. I did the formulation, I did the tests, the patch tests, and everything. And when it comes to my scrunchies and mask, I take the cloth and all the raw material of that thing and I give it to a manufacturer. And to be very honest, I'm not perfect at stitching and everything. Na? So I want my brand to be at the top, कि लोग देखें और बोलें कि हाँ ये चीज़ अच्छी है एंड आई वांट टू शॉप मोर फ्रॉम दिस. क्योंकि वो क्वालिटी इस चीज़ की अच्छी है. एंड क्वालिटी अगर मुझे अच्छी करनी है, अगर मैं घर पे बैठूँ कि नहीं मैं कर लूँगी, दैट्स नॉट इट। आई वॉन्ट टू इट टू बी परफेक्ट। अगर मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ तो दैट शुड बी परफेक्ट। अगर मैं लिप ग्लॉस, लिप स्क्रब, लिप बाम बना रही हूँ तो आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इट कि वो चीज़ अच्छी है। बट अगर मैं अब घर पे सिलाई मशीन लेके बैठ जाऊँ कि हाँ ये मैं कर लूँगी, दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल ना। तो या आई टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम देयर हियर एंड देयर नाउ एंड देन।
So, apart from like help in manufacturing, how much do you think family support matter when you take a huge step like making your own business या कोई भी लाइफ में कभी भी कोई भी बड़ा स्टेप हो, how much do you think family support matter?
Yeah, I think the only support that matters the most is my family's support. I got my financial support from my dad. I got my mental and physical support from my mother. And when any difficulty happens, and be it financial, be it mental, be it anything, you go to your parents. You don't have anyone else. फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, फ्रेंड्स आर फैमिली, आई एग्री। मेरे दो फ्रेंड्स हैं, आई लव देम। एंड मतलब कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, आई एम देयर कि हाँ प्लीज़ मेरी हेल्प करो, एंड देयर मेरे को। आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग एल्स। अगर यू हैव फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली लाइक दिस एंड financial support, अच्छा, let me tell you one thing. My mother is a very very good photographer, and she does help me a lot. And मेरी सारी makeup pictures जो मेरे makeup page पे जाती हैं, she clicks them. And वो I don't think इससे बड़ा कोई help होगा. She can't do my makeup, but she can do my photography, and I don't want anything else ना.
Now we know that behind the camera is just Noor's mom taking
Yeah,
all those
yeah,
dope
she's
pictures.
great at it. Yeah.
She's definitely great at it. I used to think that you click those pictures.
No,
Now I know who does that.
I can't do both. I do click my brand's picture, like the product pictures and everything, but I do get a lot of help from my family. I do get a lot of love and support from my family.
So, what is the biggest challenge that you have faced till now? Like, obviously there are small challenges, but that one big one कि
Yeah,
ओ
the
वहां
one
पर जाके ऐसे
the one big one is still being the only one who is answerable to yourself. Like, if there is a problem, I'll be answerable to myself, and facing yourself is the biggest issue in this game. After my partner left this business, everything was on me. I had to do what she did. I had to do the technical. I had to do the mixing and the making and the packaging and everything. So that's, I think that's the biggest issue I have faced. But to be very honest, I had my friends, I had everything with me. मतलब मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि हाँ कोई गया है. I had everyone in my life की supporting at that time कि हाँ जसनूर कर लेगी, we are with you, तो कल ही कर सकती है. And I don't think उससे बड़ा कुछ होगा मेरी लाइफ में.
nice. And now I won't take a lot of time, but this last one question: what is that one tip that you would like to give to someone who wants to pursue their dreams at a age like yours, right? What is that one thing?
That one thing would be consistent. You know, when you are going to do something that you love, you will be consistent for it, and you'll work for it. You love it. Don't listen to anybody. People are there to push you back at every step. They'll be like, जिसनूर तू ये नहीं कर पाएगी, नहीं ये नहीं कर पाओगे, आप ये नहीं कर पाओगे, आप ये कर सकते हो. Who are they to tell you that? They no one. तो अगर तुम चाहते हो वो करना, you can do it. तुम्हें नहीं किसी की सुनने की ज़रूरत. And you have to be bold enough to answer them. अगर तुम्हें वो शक्ति ही नहीं है कि तुम आगे जाके बोलोगे कि हाँ मैंने करा है, बोलो, तो you can't do anything ना. तो I will say be consistent. अगर आप अपने Instagram पेज पे कुछ डाल रहे हो आज, तो कल के लिए आपके पास कुछ होना चाहिए कि मुझे कल ये डालना है. एंड आई थिंक वहाँ मैं कुछ पीछे रही हूँ, तो आई हैव लर्न दैट, एंड तब आके मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि प्लीज़ डू दैट. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रह रहे हो तो आपके कुछ घर पे बनाने का फ़ायदा नहीं है. अगर आपका सिर्फ बिजनेस ही ऑनलाइन चल रहा है एंड आप घर पे बना रहे हो चीज़ें बना बना के रख रहे हो, उसका कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है. अगर आपको स्टोर होता तो अच्छा होता कि हाँ कोई आ रहा है, देख रहा है, तो इट्स ओके. बट इफ़ यू आर सेलिंग ऑनलाइन, यू हैव टू एडजस्ट योर एंगेजमेंट एंड स्टफ. तो अगर एंगेजमेंट नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा इंस्टाग्राम पे. तो यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर इट.
True. Okay, so at last, before winding,
Yeah.
tell our audience where can they find you and what can they buy from you?
So my audience can find me on Instagram. My handle is thezealstore.in, and I have a variety of stuff including lip glosses. Look, I'm wearing it right now. The
She's looking gorgeous.
new collection is dropping really soon, you know. So I'll have three new shades of lip glosses in that, and I do have lip scrubs, lip balms, masks, scrunchies, and I have a variety of, you know, hoops and everything. So yeah.
So I'm going to link just Noor in the description. You can go shop from her, go visit her page. I am sure I can give you this in written कि तुम बिना shop करे नहीं रह सकते हो. I trusted you can shop from her.
And you know, hearing this from someone else, it's like beautiful, and that's the most proud moment I've ever felt in my life. कि हाँ, कोई मुझे बोल रहा है कि आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है. जब लोग मैसेज करते हैं ना कि आपकी ये चीज़ अच्छी है, and I'm like, थैंक यू यार, आपको अगर पसंद आ रहा है तो it's worth it.
So tell me one thing, like you are 19, right? How does it feel to be, called as a businesswoman or to be called as an entrepreneur? Ki, how do you feel that like people of my age, they are doing whatever they want to do and I am doing something for my future, for my career. How does it feel?
People are like, you know what, when people say कि हाँ ये कर रही है, when your family is proud of yourself कि हाँ मेरी बेटी ये कर रही है, do shop from her, कि मेरी बेटी ये बहुत अच्छा बनाती है, I use it, मैंने ये देखो डाला हुआ है, and it's like, हाँ ये चीज़ मैंने बनाई है. अगर तुम रास्ते पे चल रहे हो और तुम्हें कोई दिखे, किसी ने बना अपने मास्क डाला हो जिस पे लिखा हो कि हाँ thezealstore.in, या फिर स्क्रंची डाली हो, आई जस्ट ग्रैब माई कैमरा एंड क्लिक इट कि हाँ ये मैंने करा है, एंड इट्स लाइक so overwhelming, so good, and I just love it.
It actually feels good,
You
on
know
that
what?
level, I can
At
tell.
this age, being 19 is the biggest, you know, difference you will have with the society.
Yeah.
You know, अगर मुझे कुछ करना है, being 19, you have a lot of pressure. Studies रहेगा, family रहेगा, friends रहेगा, and you know, there's a lot, but yeah, you can manage it.
Yeah, and it is said that teenagers have a lot of other
Yeah,
problems and
very true. You
everything.
know,
But
this is the time
that
when your human emotion are play. Sorry, you know, this is the time when your human emotions play a big role. And you know, कोई होता है कई बार तुम बेड पे सल्क कर रहे हो बैठ के, and you're like आज कुछ नहीं करना, तो let it be.
yeah,
बी योर सेल्फ. अगर तुम्हें नेटफ्लिक्स देखना है घंटा बैठ के, तुम देखो, इट्स नथिंग. तुम्हें बिजनेस संभालना है, तुम संभालोगे अगर तुम्हें चाहिए. तुम रात के 1 बजे तक, 3 बजे तक, 5 बजे तक बैठे रहोगे अगर तुम्हें कोई काम है, यू you नो know? अगर तुम चाहते हो कि हाँ मुझे आगे जाके ये चीज़ अच्छे से करनी है, तो यू नो यूल वर्क फॉर इट. एंड to be very honest, the feeling you get, the overwhelming feeling you get, the biggest, the positive feeling you felt is the best. And I think I love it. I love doing this.
oh, it genuinely is. You are inspiring a lot of people. I want to tell you this, that you are inspiring a lot of people, me being one of it. No one knows how hard it is to run a business, and you are running that very nicely. Proud of you.
Thank you so much, Abhilasha.
So that was it for this video. I hope just Noor you had fun with
I
me.
had I had very fun. You know what? I gained so much confidence with this video and YouTube. You know, I never myself really started it because I didn't have that confidence level कि हाँ मैं बोल पाऊँगी, हम कर पाऊँगी and everything. But like this was very nice for me. This was very positive for me. You are really very positive, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.